In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite, newest, most updated, profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have low competition, high demand. I'm going to share them with you, and I'm going to share the data that prove the profitability of these keywords. And in order to get that data, I am using 4 free Chrome extensions. I've discussed these 4 free Chrome extensions in a previous video I did on the channel, and I will link that video in the description box below in case you want to go ahead and watch it to know the exact Chrome extensions that I'm using, and then to do your own research as well on that. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. We do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP profitable keywords, as well as breaking down strategies, tips and tricks to help you make passive income online. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner. And it has amazing results, starting with Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, which gives us a wonderful keyword niche score of 46 and a total results of 2,531. We also have the average bestseller rank sitting at 27,196. And we also have the average reviews of 591, and we have a clarification from our second Chrome extension that we're using, which is Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score, and it's from 1 to 9, 9 being the highest and the strongest. And here we have number 9, green light, ready to go, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. So what you need to do here, you need to create a notebook that contains a calendar for 2023 to 2024. It is a daily calendar that is also a daily planner as well. It's not specified whether it is for men, for women, for kids, whether it is based on the career, such as for students, for nurses, for doctors, for teachers, or whether it is a specific type of calendar or a specific type of daily planner. This is all for you, free to choose, free to niche down as you desire and as you want. And also when it comes to this, the way I understand it is by creating a notebook. It's more of a 6 by 9 inches. So it can be a kind of travel size, which is a 6 by 9 inches, or if you want to even niche down and create a different one, which would be a large notebook sized calendar, which would be an 8.5 times 11. But I would personally go by the size of 6 times 9 inches, which is a general notebook size calendar, and it would be more for travel. You could also place it on the desk. You could easily place it in your bag, travel bag, and so forth. So there are a couple of interiors that you can be able to get from Creative Fabrica that are available for commercial use. And that way, I've just done the quick research for you for Creative Fabrica. I clicked on the calendar right here, and we have a couple of templates. And you could also filter it based on the KDP interiors as well, just right here under the categories. You go ahead and you click on the KDP interiors, and we have a whopping 2,167 results. And there is a massive results for the calendar. So you can go ahead and download a couple of these, alter as you wish, upload as a PDF to Canva, and edit through. There's also a second option. You can go on Canva and you can click on calendar. For example, you have the wall calendar, you have the desk calendar, or you can just simply write calendar right over here, and you have many templates to choose from. Now keep in mind, you do need to change these templates around. You do need to change the fonts, the elements, maybe the colors as well. Just make it unique, but still use that same layout to help you, especially if you're new, especially if you have yet not created a calendar / planner before. This could be a great way to start. Now in the description box below, I have 2 links. I have one for the Canva 30-day free trial that you can go ahead and use, and I also have 30-day free trial to an all-access Creative Fabrica account. You can also go ahead and click on this one and take advantage of the free trials offered, and that way it would be like a no expenses to get started thing as well. So the first keyword was notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner. Now we are, as of making this video, we are on the second part of 2023, sitting at July. So don't be too intimidated by that. You can either create a notebook sized calendar for the remaining of 2023, or you could just create it for 2024. Yeah, you still use that keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots. And that way you'd still get your book ranking for this great keyword right here and take advantage of its profitable potential. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. And the second keyword for the day is 2024 wall calendar at a glance. And it has a keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 56 and a total results of 1,711. Bestseller rank is under 300,000, sitting at 63,422. We also have the average reviews of 111. And we also have a great confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a massive high number 9 for the keyword niche score as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a wall calendar that's on 2024, and it's going to be a calendar at a glance. So it's going to be minimalistic. It's going to be a monthly calendar, and you can also niche down based on the gender, the age, the career, the type of calendar. Do you want it to be a boho, a floral? Would you like it to be a minimalistic? There's so much options to choose from, and this is the exact best time to get started on the 2024 niche. And there I'll be sharing a range of different keywords for the 2024 niche to help you to get started, because a lot of people make the mistake of getting started around that December, around the November mark, maybe late October, which is problematic because there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of people just rushing in to create products, and there's also a lot of customers wanting and searching to purchase. So now is the best time to get started, create your 2024 books, and it will also take a month or two to help them get ranked in the system. And as you can tell here, by looking at the bestseller rank for this keyword, that is 2024 wall calendar at a glance, you can still see that books under this keyword are being sold. So there's still people that are still wanting to buy 2024 wall calendars, even though there is like literally 5 months or so left for 2023 to end. So let's have a look at the third and final keyword for the day, which is 2024 wall calendar 8.5 times 11 inches. So this inches word is extra for me, but the actual keyword is 2024 wall calendar 8.5 times 11, and it has a keyword niche score of 50. Total results are 912, and the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is sitting at 90,006. Average reviews are 589, and this is a great keyword because it specifies exactly what it is. It is a wall calendar that is a large print calendar, so it's a size of 8.5 times 11. Straight away, it makes it easy for you. Also, you could go ahead on, for example, Canva and have a look at the, just search under the templates for wall calendar. You'll find massive amount of templates, around 4,707 templates about wall calendar that you can optimize and that you can use as well. And also same applies here when you go to Creative Fabrica, you write wall calendar and you have this huge collection of wall calendar templates that you can go ahead, download as a PDF, upload to Canva and customize as you wish. Also, you could niche down as well based on, for students, for kids, also for girls, boys, whether you want it to be an affirmation based wall calendar, whether you want it to be more of a travel. Do you want to create a wall calendar for people who enjoy, for example, gardening, bike riding? So there is a massive, huge potential to niche down. We talked about the top Amazon KDP keywords for today's video, starting with notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner, which has a keyword niche score of 46. Coming next is 2024 wall calendar at a glance, keyword niche score of 56. And lastly, 2024 wall calendar 8.5 times 11, keyword niche score of 50. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.